Alright, to answer your question, yes, the clarifier does. You could set it up to do clarifier receive for finding course, or receiver transmit, or transmit only on these. So most of the time you want your clarifier to work only on receive. In the menu you can set up how far the clarifier goes. So here's your course right here. As you see, it's going down, and it's showing over here. I'm down 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, as you see. It's moving here, and it's moving here. 0 shows you you're back on that frequency. So say you're up on 38, and you're on lower sideband, and somebody's just a touch off. You can spin your clarifier receive down, as you see right here. I'm on receive. So if somebody's like 0.3 down on the receive, you can turn them in with the course and then use your fine to fine tune it out here. Okay, that way if somebody's just a little bit off, and you can see, don't forget, of course, you are 0.4 down. That won't affect you transmitting, so you'll still be calling CQ, CQ, CQ on 3850. Then you have somebody you're trying to talk to over here using your course clarifier. He might be down a little bit, or he might be actually up a little higher. Okay, he might be higher. So what I'm saying is the clarifier works. Now in software and in the menu you can set up how this clarifier works. If you want it on RX or transmit or RX TX both. So yes, your clarifier does work. You can also use VFO mode here. Go to VFO mode, and you see this. You can change this here to pretty much any frequency you want. So say you're in VFO mode, and you can use your clarifier here, and it's course clarifier at 100. See? It'll bring it up which whenever you want. You can set that up again in the menu. Okay? That's VFO mode. So say we wanted to go to 27,370. 27,370 is where they have sideband. I'm sorry. Yeah, 370. 27,370 is where they have a lot of sideband for worldwide sidebanders. They talk here. If you go back to band mode, go up to 385. Okay. Go down to 375 and then use a clarifier, and you could slide down to 370 there. But that's where you want to make it TX and RX. You understand? If you're going to slide to 370, okay, that's where you're going to receive. So remember that. That's where you put on TX and RX. So see, we're on 2.1. So that means when we transmit it, we would be off. Okay. This will take us up. Now we're on 0. Okay, so then you got to go into function. Under, where the fuck is program here? Program. Scan. Roger beep. There's fine. Fine is receive only. Course is 100. SQ off, beep on. There's a setting in here. Fine to do receive and receive or receive and transmit. How much you want your course to do. Automatic squelch, beep on. That's loop time. Okay, so receive and transmit. You got to set to receive and transmit if you're going to go into regular channel mode. Okay. If you're going to go to VFO mode, that's where you would talk here. Alright, in VFO mode it's going to be receive and transmit. That's where the difference is. That's where the difference is. So if you wanted to talk like a 370 channel, something in between, you would put it in VFO mode to go there that way.